Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to show you how to update a photo album. So we go to photo gallery and we're going to select on edit for the photo gallery we want to add or remove images to. And then we simply just need to check the box, and then we can delete any photo album, any photo that we want. We can also add images to this gallery. So adding it is the same way as just like when we first created it. You can either upload from your computer or you can select images that are already on your website. So we simply find the image we want and we add selected. So you can also import from the album that's on your website already. These are items we've already uploaded in the past that are showing up on your website. You can also at this location give a title and a description. So these titles will show up in the photo gallery depending on which way you're viewing it. Once you're done, you click update.